Hi, it's Kevin from Heartland RV. I'm out at the Elkhart open house, the Thor display, and we are showing Prowler, #1 selling RV brand of all time, over 300,000 on the road since 1969. We don't just have a great history, we're also going places and we're innovative with what's coming up for the future. So I'm sitting inside the 315BH or bunkhouse. It's a bath and a half bunkhouse that has a separate room, and it's only 7,200 pounds. It has a single slide, U-shaped dinette, separate space bunkhouse. So you have a half bath with a door that separates, tons of storage in the bunk room. You have a big closet space, TV space across from the couch. You have a great L-shaped kitchen, big bathroom up front, and then finally the grand finale is we have tons of storage in the front bedroom. Again, a bath and a half bunkhouse with separate room, and it's only 7,200 pounds.